Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up Facebook application. So after opening up Facebook application, here you guys have to just simply click on the top right of your profile icon and horizontal lines. You guys have to just simply tap on it. And after tapping on it, here you guys have to just simply scroll down until you find an option which is setting and privacy. So after tapping on that, it will provide you a drop down menu. In the drop down menu, you guys have to just simply select the settings. And in the settings, you guys have to just simply click on the see more in account center. So here in the account center, you guys have to just simply click on the personal details. So after tapping on personal details, here you guys have to just simply click on account ownership and control. So after tapping on it, here you guys have to just simply select the second option, which is deactivation or deletion. And here you guys have to just simply select the account which you want to deactivate or delete. And here it will provide you two options. The first one is deactivate account and the second one is delete account. The first method is a temporary method of removing your account and the second method is permanently. Here in this video we are going to permanently delete your Facebook account. So we guys have to just simply select the second one and click on continue. So after clicking on continue, it will ask you for your page to be deleted. So you guys have to simply select and click on continue. And after that, it will ask you for a specific reason. You guys have to just simply click on any of the reason and click on continue and click on continue. And here after tapping on continue, it will ask you again for some sort of information. You guys have to just simply scroll down and click on continue. So after tapping on continue, it will ask you for re-entering your Facebook password. So you guys just have to simply put your Facebook password and your account will be permanently deleted, and it will automatically delete all the data of your posts, friends and any information in this page. So keep in mind that you would not recover after permanently deleting your Facebook account, and there is a chance to recover that deactivated account within 30 days. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.